Hello guys, Valor Reviews here. This is the all-new TechnoSpark 7P and oh my goodness, this smartphone looks good. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my favorite tips and tricks, so let's get started. The first tip might prevent your smartphone from being stolen. And to find the theft alert, swipe down to reveal the notification panel, scroll till you see theft alert, click and hold down on it. What theft alert does is it sounds an alarm whenever someone removes the charger or earpiece that is connected to the smartphone, and the person won't be able to turn off the sound or reduce the volume. Nothing will work until the smartphone is unlocked. Now, tip number 2 is all about privacy. With Peek-Proof, you can make a portion of your screen visible while the remaining portion will be unreadable, making it impossible for anyone sitting next to you to see what's on your display. You can adjust the window height, and when the coast is clear, tap the exit icon to exit this privacy feature. Now, Kids Mode is a parental control feature that allows you to set a time limit on how long your child can use their smartphone. It also allows you to set a data limit and allows you to select which applications you want visible on the smartphone. Video assistants work on apps like YouTube and the video player app. It allows you to play a video with the screen turned off, which isn't possible except you have a YouTube premium subscription. It also gives you quick access to take a screenshot and record your screen. Now, Smile Shot allows your smartphone to take a picture whenever it detects a smile. You don't need to hit the caption button anymore. All you have to do is smile and it takes the picture. With the hotspot data limit, you can limit the amount of data you want to share when you're sharing your internet. Say for example, if you're sharing your data with a friend via your hotspot and you don't want your friend to use more than 2 GB, you can set the data limit, and when the data is used up, it either notifies you or turn off the hotspot. Cast allows you to mirror what's on your smartphone display to a compatible laptop or TV. It also transfers the sound to the monitor, making it convenient when you want to view a movie on a bigger display. App Lock allows you to lock an application. Click on the lock icon and it's as simple as that. To access the application, all you need to do is use the pattern password or the fingerprint scanner. Social Turbo is like a WhatsApp companion and it does a couple of things. My favorite is it allows you to change your voice during a WhatsApp voice call.
So using Social Turbo, you can change your voice. I have it set to a female voice. How do I sound? Do I sound sexy? Let me know in the comment section below.
It can also record a WhatsApp voice call. Video Beauty Mode smoothens your skin, enhances your look, and it makes you look adorable. Peek Mode allows you to read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing. You can also save a friend's WhatsApp status on your smartphone. You can enable flashlight notification for WhatsApp calls and create stickers. Smart Panel allows you to quickly access your favorite applications and shortcuts. You can access the Smart Panel by swiping from the edge, wait for about 2 seconds and it will reveal itself. Under Micro Intelligence, Quick Start allows you to draw a gesture to activate an application. It is totally customizable, and to demonstrate this, drawing M on my display launches the YouTube Music app. Tap to Wake turns the display off and on by double tapping on the display. Music Gestures allows you to control music with gestures while the display is turned off. You can swipe down to play, swipe back to go back to a previous track, swipe forward to go to the next track, and it works pretty well. Flip to Mute allows you to mute incoming calls when you put the display on a flat surface like a table. Swiping down with 3 fingers takes a screenshot. Raise to Ear answers incoming calls automatically when you leave the smartphone to your ear. App Twin allows you to have dual apps on a smartphone. For example, you can have 2 WhatsApp applications on your smartphone, eliminating the need to download WhatsApp Business. You can find gesture navigation under System Navigation. With gestures, all you need to do is swipe to navigate around the user interface, which some people like and others don't. If you love to use gestures, I recommend you increase the sensitivity. Finally, there is Game Mode, which allows you to open apps within a game, take a screenshot, record your gameplay, but my favorite feature is the magic button, and that allows you to remap the volume up or down button. And for PUBG, I have the volume up button as a trigger button. So guys, those are my favorite tips and tricks on the TechnoSpark 7P. If you found this video to be useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys soon. Valor signing out.